हाय दोस्तों। वैसे तो ये अपार्टमेंट मैं पहले ही दिखाना चाहता था, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं ये व्लॉग यहाँ से तब बना रहा हूँ या बनाने का मौका मिल रहा है जब मैं ये अपार्टमेंट छोड़ रहा हूँ। इट्स बीन जस्ट 1.5 months हियर, एंड वो भी ठीक से नहीं रह पाया यहाँ पे। एंड यहाँ पे शिफ्ट होने का वजह बहुत ही स्पेसिफिक था, एंड आई डेफिनेटली लव टू शेयर एवरीथिंग विद ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ माय व्यूअर्स। सबसे पहले ये बता दूँ कि आई हैव बीन वर्किंग एज अ ट्रेनर in the real estate industry. Those who know me know my work. मैंने किस तरीके से इतने साल काम किया है इस इंडस्ट्री में, and have always loved whatever I have done and whatever I have did so far. But ये vlog इसीलिए भी बन रहा है, many fold reasons है, because one, I want to keep my sanity alive. ये पॉइंट जहाँ में मैं लाइफ के बहुत बिटर ट्रूथ से गुजर रहा हूँ, एंड एट द सेम टाइम आई हैव नो आइडिया व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू नेक्स्ट इन द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ माई लाइफ, विच इज़ अ ब्लैंक स्लेट. बहुत कुछ हुए लास्ट few weeks. It has been a traumatic experience for me, and in the month of April I turned 42, but in 40 plus years में मैंने ऐसा experience नहीं किया. So through this vlog I want to document my experiences. I want to share my lessons, my learnings with you all, and धीरे धीरे करके let me share everything that I have been through. अब maybe थोड़ा सा वॉल्यूम का दिक्कत हो सकता है. I'm not sure, but please bear with me. Maybe you might like to use headphone. So currently, what's the status of my life? Not doing well. Not at all doing well, because first of all I'm jobless, you know. Not the first time ये हुआ. बहुत कुछ देखा है लाइफ में, आप सभी की तरह मैं भी लाइफ के काफ़ी सारे मैंने डाउनफॉल एक्सपीरियंस किया है. बट when you face betrayal, it hurts you differently. And जब आपको पता नहीं रहता है कि after planning so many things, after coming so far in your life, in your career, so suddenly at this point of time सब कुछ झटक से सब कुछ चेंज हो जाता है. and that's what I've been going through. So yes. And secondly, मुझे ये पता नहीं है कि अब मुझे क्या करना है. इतने साल, after struggle, few successes, now you're blank कि next आप क्या करने वाले हो. And moreover, with that sinking feeling that you don't want to do whatever you have been doing all throughout these years. So मैं थक गया हूँ थोड़ा. I've been tired. इसको डिप्रेशन बोलते हैं, मुझे पता नहीं. Last time I guess जब I went through my rock bottom in one of my phases, I'll definitely share everything. तो मैंने कैसे को रिकवर किया बाय वर्किंग ऑन माई सेल्फ. दिस टाइम इट हिट मी डिफरेंटली, क्योंकि वो टाइम आई वॉज श्योर कि मुझे नेक्स्ट क्या करना है. दिस टाइम आई डोंट नो, एंड दैट्स वाई through this vlog I'm trying to keep myself alive. I'm trying to stay on the course. I don't sink. It's important कि मैं अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर पाऊँ एंड अपने बातों को आप तक रख पाऊँ, ताकि मुझे क्लैरिटी मिल पाए कि मुझे नेक्स्ट क्या करना है. मे बी दिस इज़ a little bit selfish, but I need to stay alive, and the more I express, my head gets clear. Fine, so be with me, and I'll keep on sharing. अब कुछ ही देर में मैं ये अपार्टमेंट छोड़ रहा हूँ एंड वापस वही मालवीय नगर, सावित्री नगर, जहाँ मैं बहुत सालों से रह रहा था. मैंने छोड़ा नहीं था उसको, fortunately. So I'm going back there, and let's see how this life of mine takes its course. Right. See you in some time. So yesterday I completely shifted. वापस दिल्ली आ चुका हूँ. So today nothing much to do, yeah. So in a way, I guess I've already booked the tickets. Day after tomorrow I'll be flying. So yeah, so I was telling you that you know, in the last few weeks things were really on the downside. So होता क्या है कि I think in the month of April I joined this organization, and see, that's peacock, that's beautiful. I hope actually I'm still trying to get used to the camera. You know, usually मैं camera shy तो नहीं हूँ, लेकिन I'm getting conscious, क्योंकि मैं consciously वीडियो बनाने का ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. सो आई वॉज टेलिंग यू कि यू नो, वीडियो इसलिए भी बना रहा हूँ ताकि आई कैन कीप माई सेल्फ इन ए हेल्दी मेंटल कंडीशन, बिकॉज द मोर आई एम एबल टू एक्सप्रेस इट विल हेल्प मी. तो करीब 2 महीने पहले का बात है. I was working, I was stable, and I was doing well. So let's call him Mr. N. So he called me up, and he recently joined this organization. I would refrain from naming the organization, right? But Mr. N calls me and tells me that there is an opportunity of vice president strategy and training. So will I be interested? So I said, yeah, sounds good, but let's meet, let's catch up, and let's understand more. So he invited me for a meeting with the MD himself. So मैं जाता हूँ. The meeting was on a Sunday afternoon, and at Starbucks. So we exchanged our thoughts. You know, I tried to understand the vision and everything, and then, you know, the meeting actually really went well. So I joined them. I think that was on 21st of April, and I started you know, my chapter, new chapter rather, there, and it all seems to be fine. एंड काफ़ी एक्साइटेड था मैं एंड काम शुरू हुआ फिर एंड आई बिकॉज मैं भी बहुत एक्साइटेड था एंड बहुत प्रॉमिसिंग था मेरे लिए एंड ऑल दीज ईयर्स मैं मालवीय नगर सावित्री नगर में रह रहा था एंड देयर वाज दिस amazing journey and since 2018 I was there and पिछले in my earlier years मैं गुड़गांव commute करता था from Malviya Nagar and when I was working for my earlier organization in Noida मैं वहीं से मेरा आना जाना लगा रहता था because जब आप अपने घर से दूर रहते हो एक कहीं ना कहीं कंफर्ट चाहिए होता है काम के लिए तो आप जाते ही हो बट एट द सेम टाइम यू नीड टू कम बैक व्हेन वेयर इट फील्स होम लेकिन इस बार थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट इसीलिए बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू डू बेटर देन व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग बिगर देन व्हाट आई हैव बीन अचीविंग सो ये सोचकर मैंने ये डिसाइड किया कि सिंस गुड़गांव में मेरा काम स्टार्ट हो रहा है एंड द पोजीशन इज़ आल्सो वेरी क्रिटिकल एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सो आई डिसाइडेड कि मैं गुड़गांव शिफ्ट हो जाता हूँ एंड आई स्टार्टेड सर्चिंग एंड ऑफिस के पास ही एंड दैट्स ऑफिस इज़ इन DLF कॉर्पोरेट ग्रीन्स रादर आई शुड से वाज सो मैंने वहाँ आसपास सर्च किया एंड आई गॉट थ्रू एन अपार्टमेंट अच्छा सोसाइटी था और उसके बाद काम स्टार्ट होता है बट द आइडिया वाज कि द ह्यूमन रिसोर्स उस वक्त सिर्फ एक ही बंदा था द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वाज वेरी स्मॉल इट स्टिल इज़ and the idea was to treat it like a startup and we function as one team and build the team and grow. That was the vision that was shared and every day we used to brainstorm, every day the vision was reiterated and I was happy and each and every day I was going after the realization of the organization's dream. And that's where I'll tell you अगर ऐसे सोचोगे ना you will be living in a fool's paradise. I'll tell you later why but अभी फिर से shift करते हैं the focus about what happened. Mr. N was given the task to hire as many and as soon as possible because we had to start a batch sales team तभी काम करेंगे जब सेल्स टीम होगा एंड जब तक आप यू आर नॉट हायरिंग इनफ इट वोंट बी पॉसिबल सो सरप्राइजिंगली एंड शॉकिंगली देयर वर इंटरव्यूज बट नॉट इनफ एंड आई वाज ऑफ कोर्स टेकिंग मच ऑफ द इंटरव्यू एंड recommending or not recommending काफ़ी सारे important profiles and important positions I thought that would be required in the long run. I suggested to the MD, let's call the MD Mr. M and interviews were conducted लेकिन जो हमें चाहिए था just sales team and if I was looking at the statistics in the last 3 months there were only 40 something interviews were conducted and out of which only 3 or 4 were in the system so it was a very it was a very concerning situation and eventually Mr. N जो मेरे काफ़ी क्लोज कलीग हुआ करते थे in my previous organization, and because of which I you know met Mr. M, the MD of this organization, and eventually decided to start contributing with this organization and grow big. So वो क्या करते हैं, he was not able to handle the pressure, he was not able to hire the resource, the sales force required. He wasn't able to do it, he couldn't do it, and he resigned. Why it came as a shock to me, because there was no warning as such. He simply gave up. He didn't even think for a moment कि मेरे से discuss कर ले. And when Mr. N left, it felt bad. I felt betrayed, not because he left, but because after इतने सालों का bonding के बाद भी he didn't even think for a moment, or he didn't have the the guts to face me, because उसके कहने पर ही, and of course I gave much of a thought, but he assured that we are going to do bigger things, bigger responsibilities, bigger challenges. So what all happened? And when someone is not able to keep the commitments, it feels really really disgusting, appalling, at least for me. And जब the MD tells me कि he doesn't have the work for me, so all these days and weeks, what was he high into? Were you high into something? कि रोज you were sharing your goals, your ambition, and how we are going to do it. He will be talking about achieving 5,000 crores in a year. Okay, when even 500 CR to achieve is a big task. I have worked with top management before, but yes, of course, things you do it because there's commitment involved, there's trust involved. So when you are not able to stand up for your own words, that's when I actually judge people. So after shifting to Gurgaon and realizing that you don't have a job after 1.5 months, so of course I have quite often dealt with a phrase, deal with it. So I had to deal with it. So finally I started feeling कि बहुत हो गया job वॉब, and I wanted to work more, but as of now they haven't paid my salary for a month, which is close to 1.5 lakh, huge money, at least for me. And I'm just waiting, and something is also seriously wrong with these guys, because Mr. M, he has a right hand called let's call him Mr. V. So these guys keep on promising me that okay, they're going to credit my money, and I don't want to feel like a beggar every time and then कि मैं उनको call करूँ and I keep on asking my own money. This place actually looks so beautiful. मतलब जब तक आप इसको एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करते ना, so you won't be able to understand what I'm talking about. So अच्छा लग रहा है, you know. Look at it. Look at this little cuties. Hey, how are you? Yeah, I had to stop in the middle to shoot this. Gone now. And that's how the story I want to end here in this uh, episode. I'll be updating you. Tomorrow I'll be flying back home for some time. It's a one-way ticket. I don't know when I'll be back, but I'll keep you posted. I hope you like the snippets of this beautiful Lodhi garden. जैसा मैंने बताया था कि I am also doing this because I want to keep my sanity in check. So please follow me, subscribe to the channel, and I don't know if for how long I'll be able to continue. I want to continue, and maybe this might be a way for a discovery of my own self. So yeah, let's hope for the best and take care. I'll see you around.